What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Good morning. So it's 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm actually on my way to a client's house to work on his wife's Range Rover Evoque. So I previously worked on this client's Porsche and I did a maintenance on it. Check out the link on the description below and the link right on top. So today would be for the Range Rover. So a little bit of a background story on this Range Rover would be this Range Rover is used for off-roading. So it has been in jungles and forest reserves and all. So I would expect the damage on the car to be quite severe. So I'm not really sure how the paint is going to be like. So I guess it's for us to find out together. So everything in the cinematic sequence as usual. So stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yo guys, this is 10 hours after working on the Range Rover Evoque, and I'm finally done with the car. I'm now driving home in a really tired condition. So I spent 10 hours, 11 hours on the car, and I was pushing all the way. But fortunately the paint on the Evoque wasn't really hard to correct, so I managed to remove like 90% of the damages except for the piano black areas. But in some shots on the finishing showcase, you can see that the black piano black sections is already glossy. I couldn't fully restore the piano black areas to like scratch free because some of the damages was just too deep, but overall everything is really nice now. And the paint, on the paint wise, I would say 80 to 90% kind of restoration done. I mean, for a car that goes into forest and off-roading, I mean, being able to restore it to this level is already actually a bonus. So I'm really tired already, so I'm just gonna end the video here. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon.